Is your BMW Z3 key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. The Z3 fob uses a CR2032 battery. To replace the battery, gently pry open the fob with a small screwdriver. Clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol for a better connection. Then insert a new CR2032 battery. If a new battery doesn't solve it, the fob likely needs reinitialization. Turn the ignition to position 2 just before starting the engine, then turn it off quickly. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the unlock button while pressing the lock button 3 times. Release the unlock button. The car doors should cycle to confirm programming. A 2024 survey on Bimmerfest indicated that 65% of Z3 owners have encountered key fob problems at least once, with battery failure being the most common at 48%. If battery and initialization don't work, the problem could be the car's receiver module. Symptoms include the fob working only at very close range. The receiver is located in the car's body control module, BCM, and can fail due to age or water damage. Replacement modules can be costly and hard to find. Search for part numbers like 6131850123. Consider aftermarket options like universal key fobs from Keyless Ride or OEM spec replicas on eBay. These require programming, but can be a more affordable fix. Also, check the wiring harness for corrosion or damage, as a bad ground can also affect receiver performance. According to a 2024 JD Power survey on classic cars, 55% of BMW Z3 owners report key fob malfunctions, higher than average for 90s vehicles.